Everyone tells you that AI makes video production free. They say you can fire your editor, cancel your stock footage subscriptions, and build a massive YouTube channel for $0. It is a great story and it gets a lot of clicks.
But if you have actually tried to build a real professional pipeline, you know that is a lie. The moment you move past basic testing, the bills start piling up.
The credit limits hit, the subscriptions renew, and suddenly your free AI workflow is costing you hundreds of dollars a month.
Today, we are going to look at the real ledger. No hype, no affiliate links, and no theories. I am going to show you the exact monthly costs of running a professional pipeline. We will map out 3 distinct budget levels. The Hobbyist under $50, the Semi-Pro at $150, and the Enterprise at $500 plus, so you can see where your money goes. Let us start with the first budget tier, the Hobbyist. This is for creators who are just starting out, testing the waters, and want to keep their total monthly spend under $50. In this tier, your core stack consists of 2 tools. First, you want Google AI Pro at $20 a month, which handles your research, scripting, and basic organization.
Second, you keep Claude Pro at $20 a month for scripting, copywriting, and metadata generation. That brings your total monthly spend to $40.
But what about video? At $40 a month, you do not have a budget for a dedicated avatar platform like HeyGen. You are trading money for time.
You will spend more hours editing and hunting for free stock footage, but you keep your cash. It is a slow start, but it gets you in the game.
Now let us step up to the Semi-Pro tier at $150 a month. This is where the math gets interesting, and it centers on Google's new pricing structure.
For the Semi-Pro, we replaced the $20 Google Pro plan with the $100 Google AI Ultra subscription. This bundles Gemini 3.5, Flash Spark, 20 terabytes of storage, and YouTube Premium. We keep Claude Pro at $20 and add Vidic at $17 for keyword research. That brings your total monthly spend to $137.
But what if you want to scale? What if you are running a business, producing multiple videos a week, or using a fully automated avatar? That takes us to the Enterprise tier.
In the Enterprise tier, we run the $200 Google AI Ultra subscription to get 30 terabytes of storage and 25,000 flow credits. We keep Claude Pro at $20, ChatGPT Plus at $20, and Vidic at $17. That brings us to $257. Adding a mid-tier avatar platform or direct API usage easily pushes you over the $500 mark.
But to make this tier pay off, you have to understand the credit math. If you do not, you will waste hundreds of dollars on the wrong tool. Let us look at the actual cost of video generation. This is the showdown between HeyGen and Google Flow, and it is the reason I stopped using HeyGen.
On HeyGen Creator, you get 600 credits using high-quality avatar. 4 or 5 cost 20 credits per minute. That means your plan only gets you 30 minutes of video. After that, you must buy a Pro tier. Now, if you get the Pro version of HeyGen with 5,000 credits, that's $200 a month. But that's only billed yearly at $2,400. That's a lot. And if you don't get the yearly and only pay monthly for 5,000 credits, it's $240 a month, which comes out higher than Google Ultra. So on HeyGen Pro at $200 a month, paid yearly, that gets you 250 minutes of Avatar 4. Or Avatar 5 video, I believe it's at 4K, but I'm still trying to get an answer from them. If that is 4K or if there is additional credit upcharge for 4K video export, as the Google Ultra is calculated at 4K, 10-second video with Omni, 3.1 if you use VO 3.1 Lite, 8 seconds is 0 credits, unlimited. Use the Flow Agent mode for that.
With Google's $200 plan, you get 64 minutes of high-quality video, plus 30 terabytes of storage, plus YouTube Premium. The Google Flow option completely changes the economics.
So with Google Ultra, imagine making unlimited B-roll libraries on VO 3.1, or with 30,000 credits from Producer every single month making 3-minute songs, sound effects. Plus unlimited graphics, infographics, slides, notebook, LM, podcast, pod videos, you name it. Google, to me, is the ultimate content creation king.
There is another major cost leak in most AI video pipelines, and that is voiceover audio. A lot of creators use 11 Labs or similar voice cloning subscriptions.
We use DaVinci Resolve Studio 21 with Local Voice Convert. That means I take the Google Flow video and DaVinci clones my voice and changes the voice to my own voice, which is what you're hearing on this. It is a one-time purchase, $295, running completely local on your machine. No monthly fees, no caps. Free lifetime upgrades. You can generate hours of narration in a single afternoon without ever worrying about characters or monthly quotas. It is the ultimate solo creator cheat code.
Because it runs locally, there are no monthly fees, no credit limits, and no character caps. Over a year of production, that single choice saves you over $1,000.
Here is my actual monthly spend. Perplexity is 0. ChatGPT Plus is 20. Gemini Ultra is 200. Claude Pro is 20. Vidic is 17. And Resolve Studio is 0. That brings my total active spend to $257 for that investment. I get unlimited high-res graphics, 64 minutes of 4K avatar video, or unlimited 1080p, unlimited B-roll, full voice cloning, search optimization, and 30 terabytes of secure cloud storage. That is a complete production house for less than the cost of a single human editor's day rate.
So this was the second part of a 2-video series comparing a complete content creation plan by Claude Cowork, and this video is by Google Antigravity. Great stuff. I want to hear from you. What is your current monthly spend on AI tools, and which one do you feel is the most overpriced? Let me know in the comments. To make this easy, I put together a 1-page cheat sheet. It breaks down tool stacks for all 3 tiers, lists the credit math for video generation, and includes a checklist to help you identify where your workflow is leaking cash. It's free, hit the link in the description. If this helped you, subscribe, because I break down every one of these releases in plain English, built around what you actually do with it, not the hype.
To see this video structured by Claude Cowork, click the video on the left, and the next video on the right is going to be me comparing Claude Cowork with Google Antigravity on this same video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.